Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Ford Ranger. First, always prioritize safety. Ensure your truck is on a level, firm surface. Engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Gather your hydraulic jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and any other safety equipment you might need before you begin. To lift the front of your Ford Ranger, locate the sturdy front cross member or a strong section of the frame rail. Position your hydraulic jack directly under this designated lift point. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, ensuring the jack remains stable and centered. Continue lifting until the front tires are completely off the ground, allowing enough space for your work. When lifting the rear of your Ford Ranger, the ideal jacking point is typically the rear differential housing, or a strong section of the frame rail near the rear wheels. Position your jack firmly and centrally under your chosen point. Carefully begin to raise the rear of the truck, watching to ensure it lifts evenly. Continue until the rear tires are clear of the ground. Once your Ford Ranger is at the desired height, place your jack stand securely under the frame rails, close to your jacking points. Slowly lower the vehicle using your jack until it rests firmly on the jack stands. Always use 2 jack stands for stability and never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. When finished, reverse the process carefully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.